Just peeling off stickers and putting them on stickers at 6 o'clock.
Jeez.
What did I do wrong? Am I going to jail?
Stop! You're gonna get tased!
On November 20th, 2024, officers in Houston County, Georgia, answered a call about a woman switching price tags at a Walmart. The merchandise came to about $60, but the legal exposure ran far higher. This breakdown skips the play-by-play. The focus is the law that turned a petty theft into a felony, and the decisions that shaped how the day ended.
How are you?
Good. They're starting early, huh?
What she did is she pulled a lot of tags from the socks. She stuck them on the watches and stuff, and then now she's peeling off stickers and putting them on adult clothing. That's what she's doing. She's been there since 6 o'clock.
Jeez. Maybe she thought if she got here early enough, y'all wouldn't be here.
Maybe. I don't know. How you been?
I'm good.
All the work that we have to go do just to go separate or fish out what was stolen, what was not stolen. Goodness.
So do you want me to go ahead and grab her and...
No, that's it. I guess we'll wait till she goes to the... I told them once she gets to the register, leave her alone. She might be getting ready now. She has more than that. She just put a lot of stuff back. I think her bag was like halfway full.
I was going to say the altering tags is enough for us.
See their own watches, some of the jewelries.
1913 Central, let's see.
Been here since 6 o'clock in the morning.
Good Lord.
Each of those units back in service. Verbal only status here.
See that one? She added something on that. She stuck something in there.
Are you able to see the whatever she's scanning?
See, that has a different tag on it. See, $1, that she got late. Special that is $29. So maybe she didn't mean to go scan that $30. Call in, sorry, let them know, leave her alone. She took that $30 one.
She can see a lot.
It's boy's t-shirt for $3.98. That's pants.
Walmart don't play.
This one, she didn't get a chance to go and change the tag on this one.
So is that stuff that she's not going to ring up?
Yeah, because she took some tags out of this clothing right here. She had more than that. She had more than that. Now she want to pay cash.
So are y'all just going to count towards her theft, the things that she rung up and altered, like the boys' tee? Do y'all do like the difference, or do y'all do the total?
Well, what we do is we refund whatever she scanned, and then I will charge her with
The full price of the
full
pants?
price. Yes. I guess she's still debating what else do you want to take.
There's southbound lane, the Honda Accord can't get out of the roadway.
Yeah.
She left $1.
Alright, let's go nab her. Where's she going?
Where's she going? She's going to get a card. Yeah. Okay. Grab her.
Walmart Central.
Gift cards.
Ground Council Superior calling her for your travel.
Why? Why?
What did I do wrong?
Go speak in the office. We can go speak in the office.
Okay.
So, I'll take this with us. Or we'll just leave it here for right now.
Am I going to jail?
We'll talk in the office over here.
Have a seat for me. Have a seat right here. No, right here.
You have an ID card, ma'am?
No, ma'am. What did I do wrong? I didn't steal anything.
You changed tags, didn't you?
I did. Ma'am, please don't press charges. I got the kids, everything coming up. Please, ma'am, don't.
You got your ID?
I don't. Please don't make me go to jail.
What's your name?
Amanda Barber.
Hold on.
Hey.
Oh, man. Stop! You're gonna get tased!
You better stop!
My kids! I'm so sorry!
Put your hands behind your back now.
So sorry!
Put your hands behind your back.
now, that's for sure.
Well, get him.
Stop!
I'm so sorry!
Stop moving!
I'm so sorry! I'm definitely going to jail.
Stop moving!
I'm so sorry. Will I get a bond when I get there?
You grab my body cam.
Yeah.
Please don't make me go to jail. No.
You ran!
I promise. Please, the kids, the holiday's coming up.
That's on you.
I'm going to jail, ain't I?
Oh, yeah.
Will I get a bond?
Sure.
Today, will I get a bond?
Hey, hold her real quick.
Can I bond myself out?
Stop asking questions right now.
Would y'all have really taken me to jail even if I wouldn't have ran?
Well, you lost the possibility of not.
We don't know. That would have been on her. If it was just some pants, probably not.
Can I call someone to come get me?
Nope. You can wait.
Do y'all let people bond themselves out? I'm sorry I ran, y'all. I went home.
If you just want to put her in the back of my car,
No, I can go back in the car.
sit with her.
Can I go back in the
No,
car?
you're going to the car.
I'm sorry.
Have a seat.
Can I buy myself out with that money?
Look, this is going in your pocket,
Yes, sir.
and I'm giving him this.
Okay.
That's what you left in the machine.
Stupid.
I know Amanda Barber from years ago. She got caught shoplifting years ago when
It's not her.
was still here. It's not her? It's not Amanda?
Oh, I don't know. I was asking. I might.
Public Works in around 10 minutes with barrels and other equipment.
But that's 2
Okay,
years
thank you.
ago. No, but we caught her years ago. When Mark was still here.
1913.
If that's her real name, Amanda Barber.
Can you try to get her name and date of birth again?
What's your name and date of birth?
Amanda Barber,
What was the year?
1986.
Amanda Barber. 1913 Central Code 5 name, date of birth.
God.
Amanda Barber. 86. 86, white female.
I'm sorry.
Clear.
You don't have to apologize.
Holidays are coming up. I got kids for the holidays. I shouldn't have. Why did I do that?
All right, hang tight.
Will I get a warrant when a bond when I get up here?
Possibly, but you probably won't even get one until you go to the county.
Can I bond myself out?
I'm sure you can.
I'm sorry. Are y'all gonna charge me with running?
Yes.
Is that a misdemeanor?
Yes.
What is it called?
Obstruction.
Amanda Buffer out of LJ is valid, negative. She's showing 25 PS at Paul and a TPO that states she is banned from Walmart on Watson.
And trespass.
Is that another charge?
Yeah.
Clear.
You're already banned.
Hard.
You knew you were trespassed from Walmart's. Good God. I'll leave this unlocked.
Is that her?
Yeah. She was trespassed already. So we'll get her for the trespass.
So you got, I can't access her old file.
I just have...
She was on our old APIS case. I remember her years ago.
Phone service.
When her babies were little, she was stealing like makeup and stuff like that. And we sent her to jail 2 years ago.
Are they getting the amount?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, they're doing them right now.
It's too early for this.
You're right. And I said, just such a dummy. Why would you go run? So why did she stop over here? I guess because she can't cross over there? I don't know.
I told her she was going to get tased.
Oh,
I wasn't going to, but they usually get some...
they stopped.
Yeah.
She took off running. She crazy.
Too early.
Right, too early for that.
Am I going to jail? You are now?
You are now.
You actually had a chance to not.
You have more.
Thank you.
Got it.
Do you want me to do, oh, I still have to do her refund. Do you want me to take an account for all of the tags that she tore off? Or just the attempted?
Just the one that went through the register. And I need those merchandise too. The one that she
Yeah,
saw.
that was in her pocket.
Okay. So 78.86. So she's trespassed too?
Yep.
Hey, at least 10 years ago when they got her. So she's been coming in here. She looks different though.
Yeah, it looked like she was banned from a lot of stores, like Academy and I think Target.
Really?
Yeah.
But you know, we don't, you don't have to go burn anything under this. You can do our file.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, appreciate you. Safe out there.
Yeah. No more today. You did too much. Or at least wait till after lunch.
Okay.
See ya. We're good.
Later.
It's too early for this. What do you mean? Did you give her slides back?
I'll put them in the front.
Oh. Why?
I don't know.
On the floorboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. That coffee's not really agreeing with me now.
Yeah, we get some more. I'm sure you're energy drinking it.
Yeah.
Want to get a bond today?
I don't know, ma'am. That's something that the jail and the courts deal. I don't do that. You'll find out when you go to Perry.
Take these off the curb.
We will when we get in there.
227. I've been home house.
Start before the police arrived. Georgia's merchant rule lets a store detain someone it reasonably suspects of theft for a reasonable time and in a reasonable way, which is why loss prevention held her first. Switching tags is textbook shoplifting. Georgia Code Section 16814 reaches altering or swapping price labels to underpay, and the crime is complete the moment she tries to defraud the store. Intent is the spine of the charge. Moving a 99-cent sticker onto a $30 item shows a plan to underpay, and that intent to defraud separates a pricing mistake from a crime. That gave officers probable cause. Loss prevention watched the register feed in real time and logged each altered scan, so by the time they made contact, the Fourth Amendment bar for a warrantless arrest was already cleared. Waiting for checkout was deliberate. Letting the sale finish killed any claim that she changed her mind, and it pinned the exact loss the state would later charge. Inside the office, an officer asked whether she changed the tags, and she admitted it. That one question is where the Fifth Amendment enters, because the Miranda rule guards against custodial interrogation. The real issue is custody. A suspect pulled into a back room, told to sit, and questioned about a crime, looks like someone who would not feel free to leave, which leans toward a Miranda problem. Not every question needs a warning. Brief questions during a street stop usually do not, but a pointed accusation in a closed office is a different posture, and a judge could rule either way. Here is why it barely matters. The surveillance video and the register data prove the theft on their own. So even if her words were thrown out, the case still stands. Then she ran, and that changed the math. Fleeing a lawful detention is obstruction under Georgia law section 161024, and it turned an offense she might have been cited for into an arrest. She also carried a problem through the front door. She had been banned from the store, and walking in after that notice is criminal trespass under section 16721, a charge that stands on its own. Now the part that decides everything. Theft of $500 or less is normally a misdemeanor in Georgia, but a fourth shoplifting conviction becomes a felony, carrying 1 to 10 years. The statute has teeth. On that fourth offense, the first year cannot be probated or suspended, so $60 in goods can mean prison rather than a fine and a warning. Notice what the law ignores. Punishment tracks the record, not the price of what she took, which is how a near-empty cart produces felony exposure. Call it disproportionate if you want, but the courts have not. The Supreme Court upheld long recidivist sentences for repeat theft in Ewing versus California and Rummel versus Estelle, so 10 years here clears the Eighth Amendment. The force barely registers as an issue. Officers warned her about the taser and used their hands to stop her flight. And under Graham versus Connor, that is measured by what a reasonable officer faces in the moment. The charges then stack. Theft, trespass, and obstruction land on top of a prior record. And that mix is what lets a court reach for the top of the sentencing range. On the grades, the officers earn a strong mark. They stayed patient, kept the force minimal, and held a professional tone, with the only soft spot being that office question before any rights warning. The subject grades poorly. The scheme was planned, she was already trespassed, and the sprint for the door added a charge, while erasing any chance of leaving with a citation. Loss prevention did the cleanest work in the building. They logged every altered scan as it happened, and detained her within the merchant rule, handing officers a file that was ready to charge. 2 lessons sit underneath this. For anyone stopped by police, running rarely helps and often births a new crime, turning a citation into handcuffs in seconds. For officers, the sharper move is to settle whether a person is in custody before asking pointed questions, so a useful admission never collapses into a fight over the Miranda rule. The widest lesson is about recidivist laws. In Georgia, the sentence can follow the person's history more than the receipt, so a small theft by a repeat offender carries weight a first-timer never feels. Tell us in the comments how you would have graded this one. Thanks for watching, and check out the channel for more police interactions and courtroom breakdowns.